If you want to change LibreOffice to dark mode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the latest and easiest method to enable dark mode in LibreOffice step by step so you can make the interface easier on your eyes and more comfortable to use, especially if you work for long periods of time. This is a simple setting change and you do not need to install anything extra. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of its important settings and preferences. From the Tools menu, click Options. This will open the main settings window for LibreOffice, where you can adjust the appearance, language, view settings, and other preferences. Now, on the left side of the options window, look for LibreOffice and then click View underneath it. This section controls how LibreOffice looks on your screen, including themes and display settings. Once you are in the View section, find the Appearance option. By default, LibreOffice may be set to Automatic or System Default, which means it follows your computer's current theme. If your system is not already in dark mode, LibreOffice may still appear light. To manually enable dark mode, click the drop-down or theme option and select Dark. This tells LibreOffice to use its dark appearance instead of the default automatic setting. After choosing dark, double-check that the setting is applied correctly, then click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. LibreOffice may update the interface immediately, or you may notice the change after reopening the app, depending on your version and system settings. And that's it. LibreOffice should now be switched to dark mode, giving you a cleaner, darker interface that is much easier to use in low light environments. If you ever want to go back, just repeat the same steps and change the appearance setting back to automatic or light. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.